In our life, there are more available possibilities or happens with us for achieving our goal. Hello everyone, myself Palash Thakre, and today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, that is alternative pathway of complement system. Dear student, we have discussed that in previous video, the antigen antibody reactions is mainly triggered for a activation of the classical pathway. But the activation of the complement system is due to the bacterial endotoxin, then the pathway is called as alternative pathway. The pathway is called as alternative pathway because the scientists discovered this after discovery of classical pathway. It is the first response of innate immune system. The alternative pathway is also called as antibody independent complement pathway because it does not require any antigen antibody complex. It is activated by the bacterial endotoxin. The endotoxins are the outer membrane of the cell wall of gram-negative bacteria. Because the outer membrane of the gram-negative bacteria contain lipopolysaccharide, which is also called as lipoglycan endotoxin. The alternative pathway of complement system include three major factors for the initiation and the completion of alternative pathway, that is factor B, factor D and properdin protein, where the factor B activates the fluid phase of C3 convertase. Factor D cleave the factor B and properdin protein attaching the C3b molecules toward the cell membrane. So now we are going to learn about the activation and the initiation of alternative pathway. We all know that there are more than 20 complement component take part in different pathway. Out of these, C3 component plays a very important role in alternative pathway. Hence, the C3 component is also called as central component protein of alternative pathway. All the complement component proteins are present in the blood plasma from liver. C3 component undergoes spontaneous hydrolysis which forms a product called as C3H2O. This spontaneous hydrolysis of internal thiester group of C3 occurs in fluid phase which forms a product called as C3H2O. This indicates that the alternative pathway triggered by hydrolysis of C3 component, which forms a product called as C3A and C3B, where the C3A is a smaller substrate and C3B is a major substrate. These C3b bound to the cell membrane and interact with the factor B which is present in the plasma. This factor B is cleaved by factor D and forms a fragment called as BB fragment. This BB fragment binds other C3b molecule which are present on the surface of a cell. The binding of BB fragment on other molecules of C3b component on the surface of a cell forms a complex called as C3b-BB complex, which is also called as fluid phase of C3 convertase. This C3 convertase has the ability to lead the hydrolysis of other C3 molecule. The hydrolysis of the C3 molecules leading the splitting of C3 molecule which forms a two subunit, that is major and smaller subunit. The major subunit of the C3 molecule, that is C3b, binds to the C3 convertase and forming a major complex called as C3b-BB C3b complex, which is also called as C5 convertase. This C5 convertase is act on a cell membrane and cleave the C5 component and split it into two subunits, that is C5A as a smaller subunit and C5B as a major subunit. This process leading to the formation of membrane attack complex because the major subunit of C5 components entered into the cell membrane and recruit the extra complement component, that is C6, C7 and C8 to bind it and forms a complex that is called as C5b678 complex, which is known for membrane attack complex, which is essential and responsible for cell lysis. The following diagram shows how different factors and complement component beautifully initiate the alternative pathway. I hope this video will be very useful and beneficial for you all. Thank you very much.